Hi everyone. Now we can learn few important terms in child health. Prenatal period and period of ovum, embryo, fetus, zygote, neonate or neonatal period, and period of ovum, embryo, and stages or two periods of neonate, infant, perinatal. Difference between perinatal and prenatal. Okay. Then first you can see here period of ovum, embryo, fetus, or ovum period, embryo period, fetus period together called prenatal period. Remember, together called ovum period, embryo period, fetus period together called prenatal period. Then, or you can also say from conception to the period between conception to birth. The period between fertilization or conception to birth of the baby called prenatal period. The next and here you see exact period of ovum, embryo, fetus from conception 2 weeks. From conception to 2 weeks called ovum, and from second week to 8th week called embryo. Then from 8th week to birth called fetus. From conception up to second week called ovum, 2 to 8 embryo, 8 to birth fetus. Okay, then what is mean by zygote? The zygote is nothing but a stage of embryo where all body parts can be identified. Stage of embryo where all body parts we can identify. So that period is called zygote period. The next one here. When we say neonate, birth to 28 days. Birth to 28 days or first 4 weeks of life. First 4 weeks of life called neonate. Then already we have discussed ovum from conception to 2 weeks. From conception to or from fertilization to 2 weeks called ovum. Embryo from 8 weeks to from 8th week. Okay, from 8th week to from conception to 8th week. From conception to 8th week called embryo. Then here you can see two types of neonate. First one, early neonate period, late neonate period. So actually in previous we discussed that from birth to 28 days. From birth to 28 days we call neonate, and again it is divided into early neonate period and late neonate period. Here you can see from birth to or first week to 7 days called early neonate, and from 7 days to 8 days 28 days. From 7 days to 28 days called late neonate. Early neonate means first week to 7 days, and late neonate 7 days to 28 days. Okay. The next one. First year of life. First year. So after 28 days, from 29th day to first year of life called infant, toddler 1 to 3 years, preschooler 3 to 6 years, school age 6 to 10 years to girls, and 6 to 12 years to boys. The next one. Here you can see the difference between perinatal period and prenatal period. The perinatal is nothing but from 20 weeks of gestation to till 7 days of birth according to WHO, according to World Health Organization. From 20 weeks of gestation to till 7 days of birth called perinatal. Prenatal means ovum, ovum period, embryo period as well as fetus period together we call prenatal period. And this is up to birth. This is 20 weeks of gestation to till 7 days of birth called perinatal. So this is a difference between perinatal period and prenatal period. So this is about the prenatal period and ovum period, embryo period, fetus period, zygote and neonate. 2 periods of neonate and toddler, preschooler, school age. Difference between prenatal and perinatal and prenatal. Thank you all.